How to find and replace in Google Docs. You can find and replace words in a document, spreadsheet, or presentation with Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. You can also search within a file using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+F. So finding and replacing means finding a repeated word or letter or anything in a text and finding every single instance of an appearance of that text and replacing it with something else. So for example, because this text is just some random letters, the way you do this is go to Edit and find and replace, or Ctrl and H. So let's say in this entire text, in this entire document, every single time there is the letters ER, let's replace those with the number 23. Let's replace all. So as you can see, every instance of the two letters repeating, which is ER, see here it said number. It replaced ER with 23. And this is applied to the entire document. And that's how to find and replace in Google Docs.